This is a demonstration of the V3 street and race retaining rings for PFC's two-piece system. Street ring doesn't rattle when assembled due to the style of the retaining ring. To remove the ring using a flathead screwdriver, gently pry the first ring free from the hat groove, working your way around each tab until the ring is loosened, comes out by hand. To then replace the ring, the friction ring only, to reinstall a new friction ring, the brake rotor goes down on the hat, retaining ring. Start by winding the first ring groove in, working your way around 360 degrees. You'll get to the second ring and want to apply a little pressure with your thumb to start the seating process. With your left hand, gently wind the second ring smaller, and with a flathead screwdriver in the pocket of the hat, gently pry up against the ring, seating the ring all the way out into the hat groove. And do this across the remainder of the pockets. And the free end will snap in place, fully assembled. No rattle, no movement. For a race ring, the race ring has axial free play. So we'll remove the street ring and reinstall the race ring. The race ring is a smaller diameter ring. Installs in a similar fashion, starting with the first ring, working your way around, with the difference being you don't have to use the flathead screwdriver. And with this assembly we have axial free play, which produces that slight rattling noise.